Good morning. Today is the penultimate day of our ride from San Francisco to LA, and you probably see by the title of this video it's going to be such an exciting day. We are going to Virgin Galactic. I love space. The idea of astronauts and that kind of stuff is just so exciting to me. Like, I was just a massive fan of planets and space exploration. Like, I love it. So being able to go there today is huge. Is absolutely equally as exciting as doing this whole ride. So we've got 100k to do, like a steady, it's a bit of a climb, like a 5k climb in it, but it's going to be pretty steady. So we're all going to set off now on our penultimate day. So let's get going. How you feeling?
Great! Better than I was expecting. This is the last push today, really.
Yep.
It's been hellish. I'm bike fit at last.
Woo-hoo! What I forgot to mention is Virgin Galactic is based in Mojave, so we are currently riding through the desert to get there. But how incredible is this? Look at it! It's amazing. It is hot, but it's amazing. What an experience to do this. Look at this beautiful. We have just been so spoiled with the views this trip. It's just so vast, so mountainous, just so pretty, and we're just so happy to be doing what we're doing, riding where we're riding, and just with these amazing group of people. Look, they're all waiting to set off. Just waiting to film them actually.
Yeah, indeed. Next up, Mojave.
We get to ride on. Woo woo woo! Perfect ice lolly in the desert. I think Matt spent more time on the floor.
What are you doing?
You can't see right.
Shall I move? Do you want me, tell me what to do.
I need this height. I need this higher.
I took a picture of that. I know.
Right,
Bloody
okay,
hell.
Right.
I didn't quite bargain for this amount.
Back where it was.
Right, about like that?
Yeah, hang on. Who's parking the bike in my house?
Woo!
The whole time.
Do it the whole way. Careful. Mojave!
Let's get back to picture.
Virgin Galactic.
Wow, this is so cool. This is unreal.
So should we, Nigel, you'll be in the middle, no surprise.
That's what a sight. Isn't it? That's the best sight.
That's the best picture, isn't it, of us?
So that's a fake fuselage, you guys, isn't it? On the left-hand side, Dave, that's not a cockpit, is it? Of the mother.
He steps her up.
Hello?
All right. So the large aircraft closest to the door is a mothership that's called White Knight 2. Its name is Eve, after Richard's mother, Eve. And there's a picture of her on the side. She was an air hostess in her youth. She's a very good-looking lady, and there's a picture there of her on the side. And it's a twin fuselage aircraft. It's a mothership for spaceship. Spaceship is in the background behind there. It's not looking particularly pretty at the moment. It's being worked on, so not all of the components are installed. So it looks much prettier than that normally. But anyway, that's a spaceship, and then you're going to get a closer look at these vehicles later. After you've made yourself more presentable, you know, had a shower, tidied up and stuff.
So we are at Virgin Galactic, and there is Spaceship 2 in there, which is eventually going to be able to take people into space, so you can see. Yeah, how cool is that? I absolutely love it. So I've been chatting to one of the engineers earlier on, and it is just fascinating. So they need to get 100 kilometres. That's what's classed as space internationally, so they're still working on doing that. So yeah, we're just getting pictures, and then later on we're going to do like an actual tour, but I can't bring my camera. It is secret, not secret, but you just can't take any video or photography in there, so that is just for us to go and enjoy. And then we're having a bit of a party tonight just to celebrate, because this is like the last big day. So I won't be taking my camera because I just feel like I want a bit of a night off, just to enjoy, just to chat, just to socialise. So I hope you understand that, but I wanted to kind of capture all the riding and all that, the fun day stuff, but equally I want to just leave my camera at home for that, just to be able to enjoy myself. This is just so epic. Look at it. I mean, I know Ellie's super excited about this too, so let's go and find Elle. Where is she? Find her. Elle? Elle! Oh, she's there.
Yeah, good one.
Elle!
Right.
Yeah, good one. Yeah, it's quite fun. Yeah. Well, I was cycling to the Elle, no, you're super excited. What do you think about me? There's a spaceship behind me! But she was like, we could do all the clothes in it.
This is the best thing in the world.
And we get to go and see a little
I'm
bit
so
more later.
excited, and they're going to give us a tour, and we're on the runway, and this is the best thing ever. This is the main thing I've been waiting for the whole week. This is just mind-blowing.
Phenomenal!
Phenomenal.
Let you down.